Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be doing a graphics pack review of Sequo's Operatic graphics pack. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. If not, I apologize. But I want to give him a shout out because he gave me a free copy and I can make a video about it. And maybe you guys will be interested in purchasing this. You can find it in the description below to buy it. And his Twitter is also right here if you are interested. So don't forget to follow him, check out the graphics pack. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this graphics pack is mobile friendly, as well as you can use it in really any photo editor. So it comes in folders rather than a PSD, so that's why it is usable with a mobile device. And I really like the style of this because it's really easy to just click through these menus real fast, bring in some things, and it just makes the whole process a lot easier. So here is the Operatic graphics pack. There's a ton of stuff that you can use in any design. I actually made a design with this already, but I'm going to be going through it and creating something else. So let's just go through some of these folders and see what we can find. So there's a bunch of effects right here, which I will probably come back to. I'm going to find a different background. So let's go into stock backgrounds. There's a ton of backgrounds. And I personally really like these two. So I'm going to bring in one of these. All right. So I got the background on here. And I'm just going to type in my name. Change the text to white. That's not white. That's brown. Turn it to white. Resize it to like 300. Yeah, that's good. Maybe that's a little too big. Another cool thing about this pack is that it comes with a lot of fonts. So if you go into the font section, there is a ton of fonts that you can use. And I'm sure everyone's on the hunt for good fonts. I know I am, and they're all here for you if you need them. So I got my name. Let me center this real quick. I also forgot to mention the pack is only like $2.90 or $3. I can't remember. It's super cheap, so it's definitely worth it considering how much you get from it. I was actually going to buy it, but then he offered to give it to me for free. So I was like, okay, why not? But yeah, I would definitely recommend buying it if you're looking for some easy graphics. So here we go. We got some Among Us stuff if you guys are into that. I know you guys have been asking for some tutorials on that, which I'll consider it. I'm not really into the game. I never really played it. We got a bunch of nature stocks, and these are definitely going to come in handy for like manipulation and stuff like that. So I'll definitely have to mess around with those in the future. There's a bunch of different things that you can experiment with. It's kind of hard to decide like what you want to go for. I guess I could go for like stars or something. Oh no, that's not even stars. I was wrong. I must be blind or something. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's really cool. So I'm going to drag that below my name. Maybe change the blend mode on it. So it's not, yeah, like that. That is nice. I really like that combination. Now I'm going to add like a light above everything like this. So I think that looks nice. Just a simple brush. Let me make it big. Up. Like that. That's good. I can even turn the brightness down on it if I want, but I think that's nice. Let's see what else I can do. I think I saw something in here that I wanted to use. It was Halftones, I believe. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's pretty cool, but I don't think I'm going to use that right now. It's kind of tough because I don't even know like what I'm going for. Yo, this is sick. This is actually really cool. I forgot what they call these things. But I really like the look of that. Let me move that to the bottom, sort of. And maybe change the mode on it. See what it could look like. Overlay, maybe? Oh, that's the... I'm stupid. That's a spotlight effect. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Move that above the stock background. See what else we can do with this thing. Yo, that's trippy. That's pretty trippy, but at the same time, I like it. It's like outer space. Okay, so now I got my name. Let me like make my name look decent. Looks pretty bland right now. Let's just throw a gradient on there. Get one of these blues. Get that. Yo, I just lost hearing in my left ear. Not even lying. That's pretty crazy, but I'm kind of busy right now, so I can't really address that. So let me get some, get a nice lightish blue. There we go. Hit OK. Hit OK. Inner glow. Yeah, color dodge. I can add a satin. Maybe we can see how this would look. I'm gonna make it like grayish or something. All right, this is looking pretty insane, dude. Not even gonna lie. Let's see what else we can add to it. By the way, this is not me trying to make a good design. I'm just experimenting with all the stuff that's in this pack, so don't be like, oh, you suck, because I already know I'm not the best, but I'm not trying to be that good right now. What is this? Is this a skull? That's pretty crazy. Not gonna use that, but maybe in a future thing. I'm trying to find like some like, wait a minute. Or are these like drug bags or something? I don't even know. Particles. I think I have enough particles for now. There's so much, it's hard to like find what I want to use, you know? Stickers, okay. Demonetized. I could totally do some stuff with this. Let me see. I'm gonna bring this in here real quick. See what we got. Okay. I have an idea. This might be crazy. This is like a space monster with my name. If I'm being completely honest. Yeah, I don't know if I want to use that. It's a little too crazy for what I'm going for. I'm just going for something simple. I have like 20 tabs open. Holy cow. Let's get something simple like this. Just, you can't go wrong with one of these. At least. So, oh, it's like a band. Okay. So let me just do that. Now what we can do is... Oh, stop talking to me. We can try bringing this in front of some of the text and putting it behind some of the other parts. So I'm going to add a mask to it. And I'm going to try to like fade it behind some of the text if I can. All right, that might be a little too insane, but you know what I'm trying to go for. I was trying to go for like that cool look, but it didn't really work out, if I'm being completely honest. But that's okay. Still looks pretty cool. Yeah, this looks really bad, but that's okay, you know? Don't judge me. I'm not trying that hard. Just trying to see Yo, okay, now this is cool. There's a lot of useful stuff in here for like backgrounds that I know I'm gonna have to use for future projects. There's just so much you can do with this pack. There's so many options, and I tested a lot of different things. Doesn't look that great because I wasn't spending a whole bunch of time trying to make it look good. I was just trying to review the pack and show you some of the things you can do with it. And there's a lot you can do, and I'm sure you guys know that by now after seeing that. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to check it out down in the description below if you want to buy it. Super cheap, or you can at least just go check them out on Twitter. I'll leave that down in the description below as well. Thank you for the free pack, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.